Good day and another beautiful day ulit to all of us. Welcome po ulit sa aking YouTube channel. Ang vlog po natin this time will show you about sa online payment ng ating PLDT bill gamit ang ating Gcash account. If you will remember yung vlog natin last time about sa pag-register or pag-enroll ng ating BPI account sa Gcash. Ilalagay natin yung link dito sa taas sa may upper left corner and pwede nyo i-watch if you will have your free time. Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating topic today, if ever na napasyal ka lang and nakapanood ka ng posted video natin, please consider subscribing, like the video, and pakihit na rin ang notification bell para parati kayong notified sa mga susunod na uploaded videos. Okay, now na-enroll na natin ang ating BPI account sa Gcash. Ito ngayon ang ipapakita ko sa inyo na few steps para sa pag-process ng payment ng ating internet bill sa PLDT. First, mag-login tayo sa ating Gcash. Enter natin yung ating MPIN. Right, now na nakalogin na tayo, click natin tong pay bill here. Okay. Got it. And then, click natin tong telecoms. Click here. And then, hanapin natin yung PLDT. Scroll down a little bit. Alright. Click natin yung PLDT. So, dyan makikita nyo, yung payment will be posted within 24 hours. Alright, now it's ready na yung aking account number na 10 digits and yung phone number na na-receive ko from PLDT. So, yun ang i-enter natin dito. Now na na-enter ko na yung ating account number saka yung phone number na issued sa atin ni PLDT. Click natin tong service. Okay, PLDT DSL. And then yung amount, lagay natin is, so ilalagay natin ang ating email address para doon tayo makareceive ng confirmation once na na-process na natin yung ating payment sa ating PLDT bill. Alright, double check muna natin yung mga details before tayo mag-proceed sa ating next step. Okay, then we click next. Okay, then ito na yung PLDT confirmation. You're about to pay blah 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 using your Gcash. So yan, makikita nyo yung 10 digits account number and yung phone number and then yung service which is PLDT DSL. Okay, then we will hit confirm. Okay, ito po yung confirmation ng ating payment wherein makikita nyo dyan yung mga details, yung reference number, yung date of payment, yung time, and then yung amount paid, and merong service fee na 7 pesos. Alright, then click natin yung done. Thank you for using Gcash. Click natin yung okay. And then okay, then check natin yung ating email. Click natin yan. And then click natin tong Gcash bills. That's it. Very easy. Okay, please do like if you think na nakatulong ang video na to. And see you again on the next video. Bye everyone. Have a good day. Be positive. Bye.